It pulls pretty good. That's 12 volts. At 12 volts, pretty low speed for a flyer, right? But it's pretty steady, pulling pretty steady. Pretty steady. If anything's making noise, it's those passenger cars. I got a flat wheel on somebody here. I think that last car has got a flat wheel. Okay, let's open her up. There's 15 volts. That engine is so doggone smooth. You think it's like a turbine or something. It's so smooth. It's the flywheels, I think, that smooths out. There's 17 volts. This is typical flyer territory. It may not be as fast, I don't know, but it's pulling the load and everything. What gets me is it's just so smooth. It really is smooth. It's gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to stop it here. Neutral, reverse. We've got it. I think we've got it. There's some stuff inside I just can't hide. I don't have plastic for that window. I don't know that there is any. You could put some plastic in there maybe that was sort of opaque and then put a light behind it. Just the way it is. You can see there's wear on the corners. The edges, the sharp edges of the engine, the chrome has wear, but the large surfaces are still, can be buffed a little bit if you're careful. Got to paint those front, and we'll talk. I'll send you a message on how to take those off carefully. Anyway, thought about a pull test. I don't know if I want to do that or not. I could throw a bunch of cars on here and see what it can pull. I may try that. I may try that right before I take it off for the final go over. Okay? So there it is. Frankentrain 360, 361. American Models chassis. Twin DC cans with 3 flywheels. 18-wheel pickup, 12-wheel drive. Lionel digital reverse in the B unit. Headlight, no smoke, no sound. Chrome, November 1950, all original. Ink stamp, date stamp, verified. It's an original. Okay, I think I'm going to load it up. You just cannot load it up, can you? Okay, more later.